Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned S550 4MATIC. This one is a Designo Mocha Black Metallic. Underneath the hood is a 4.7 V8 twin turbo pushing out 449 horsepower and 516 pounds of torque. Standard on the S-Class are front and rear LED daytime running lights. For wheels, we've got 18 twin 5-spoke wheels. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige espresso brown leather interior, panorama sunroof. This one does come with the warmth and comfort package, which is going to give you heated and cooled front and rear seats, also heated and cooled armrests. Coming around back, we've got our S550 4MATIC badging. Opening up the tailgate, we've got a power lift gate, comfort box for extra storage, clean set of floor mats. Give you a better view of the rear seats. Coming up front, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, keyless entry, Burmeister sound system, memory seats, power windows, a burl walnut wood trim. Also included is the driver's assistance package, which is going to give you Distronic Plus, speed limit assist, pre-safe plus, active lane keeping assist, active blind spot assist. Hopping in, we've got a leather and wood steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance. Let's go ahead and start it up. We got navigation, a surround view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for our media display, touch and wheel for our infotainment center, supports and comfort suspension. This S-Class has 14,284 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this S550, check out feldmanimports.com.